everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to change your profile picture on Duolingo. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. In order to change your profile picture on Duolingo, first make sure you've created a profile. Once you have a profile, simply tap open the application and sign into your account. This is your home screen of Duolingo app. Now, in order to change your profile picture on Duolingo, go and tap on the profile icon at the bottom, right next to the home button. Now, this will open up your profile. Simply tap on your name initial at the upper right corner and give it a tap. There are three options displayed in the pop-up. In order to take a photo from your camera screen, you can go ahead and tap on Take Photo. Allow Duolingo app to take pictures and record video from your phone by tapping on Allow. Allow more access and then select your camera. Now go ahead and take a picture for your profile. You can also take and upload a photo from your camera roll. In order to do so, tap on Your Photos and select a picture from your camera roll. That is how you can upload a profile picture on Duolingo. If you'd like to change the picture, then simply tap on the pencil mark at the upper right on your profile picture and select a new photo from your camera roll, or you can even take a photo using your mobile camera. Simply select a picture from your camera roll by tapping on the picture, and just like that, you'll be able to change your profile picture on Duolingo. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.